keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting?
Hey, Go Drip family. Today is day four of the cruise, the Royal Caribbean Wonder of the Seas cruise. Yesterday on day 3 we didn't record. We didn't do much. It was a sea day, which means you don't go anywhere, you don't stop, no stops, you don't get off the boat. So we kind of just chilled, hung out. Today is day 4. We're in Cozumel, Mexico. Show them, babe, a little bit of Cozumel. The city is on the other side of the boat, so once we get off, we'll be able to show you guys. This is just the side we're on, what we can see. Beautiful blue waters. Never knew Mexico has beautiful waters.
Man,
like
straight from our balcony though.
Yeah, so that's where we're at today. We are not getting off yet. We're gonna hit the gym first, and then we're gonna get off. We've never been to Mexico before, so we're gonna bring you guys with us on this trip. On this video.
We take them with us anyways. But we gonna take y'all with us on this when we get off the boat. Pretty much this journey.
This journey. Since we're getting off and let you guys see Mexico with this. It's Cozumel. I think they said it's South Mexico or something like that.
We would take them with us to the gym, but all we gonna do is cardio today, so it'll be pretty boring. So we're not gonna take y'all with us to the gym, and we've been going to the gym. Another thing too, we've been going to the gym because obviously you on vacation, you're gonna eat more, you're gonna do all that. So yeah, we've been eating, but we've been working out too, so that way we can still burn calories. And also we haven't been eating like shit either. You know what I'm saying?
No, we haven't.
We haven't been eating like shit. We've been eating pretty healthy. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. So we're gonna do pretty much is after we hit the gym, we're gonna turn this camera back on, take y'all with us on this journey, and see what this journey gonna be about.
See what the hype of this Mexico.
Yeah, Cozumel, man. Let's see what it's about. Let's go.
2 hours later.
So we just got it in, man. Back to the room. We went crazy. Stephanie went crazy. Also, we're on the 14th floor, right? So coming back after doing cardio and a slight workout, you feel me? Here, we're not doing too much. We working out every day, which we don't normally work out every day at the house. We do 3 days, 1 day off, 3 days, so that's 6 days out of the week. We figure here we be eating more, so we want to work out every day. But just make sure we get our cardio in more, because that matters more than anything. Cardio first, then work out. As long as we getting our cardio in good, when we do our weightlifting and stuff, it only be about 20 minutes. It's not the whole full workout that we'll do at home, because our main goal right now is to keep our calories, burn our calories down, since we're intaking more calories while we're on this cruise. Anyways, after the workout, we're on the 14th floor. The gym is on the 5th floor. We ran up how many flights? 9 flights stairs, up the stairs to 14th floor. So we're tired. Stephanie's tired too. But I'm proud of her because she's really consistent with me. She think that I'm motivating her. We feed off each other. She motivated me too, because I know that she's not really a person that works out like that. She's still been doing it, and she's been getting in the mood of it. So that's motivated me, because she's pushing through what she normally don't do. You feel me? So that's good, man, because like I said, health is wealth. Take care of yourself, and that's everything. Anyways, before I talk your head off, that's it. I just want to keep y'all updated on what happened after we just opened up the vlog. All right, so stay tuned. We're about to go to the shady part of Mexico. Y'all ready? All right, y'all. So about to go downstairs, man.
About to get off. I'm nervous.
Well,
I'm always nervous. I'm just a nervous wreck all the time.
Man. So it's supposed to be scary, bro, because it's supposed to be some shit. Gangway. Y'all remember what gangway mean? Gangway exit. I mean, we about to gang up out of here.
Sorry, we got a little interrupted with the elevator. Be careful.
Yeah, man.
But anyways, yeah, we're I don't know if he is, but I'm nervous because shit, Pops is already out there. He told my son it's looking like
it's looking shady out there, bro.
Looking,
you know, it's
careful,
Mexico. It's Mexico, so you know a lot of shadiness going down. in Mexico.
We
You
didn't
feel
wear
me?
no jewelry. We didn't bring our
I ain't bring
Gucci
my
backpack.
jewelry,
I didn't
nothing.
bring my good purse. Like I just got my little green bag, and that's that. We gotta hop in a taxi. Oh Lord, I'm really scared. Let's.
You know, out there they like to get foreigners, man. And we got to catch a taxi, so we got to make sure we catch the right taxi, so they will take us somewhere else and take us to where we need to go, which is to my dad's spot. Yo no soy marinero, no soy marinero, soy capitán, soy capitán. We're trying to find a way so we can get on a taxi, man, so we can get to my dad. But yeah.
The sign stops telling you.
Yeah, maybe.
Same store?
Same store. Okay. We're trying to eat some tequila all day. I don't want no tequila. What's Gucci? Hey.
I got cigars, Mr. Boss.
You got cigars? Yeah, I don't smoke.
Porque se la lleva
I'm good, thank you. We're gonna sell you everything around here, boy. Gotta get that money at. I finally got it unfoggy now. I had to clean the lens, man. Like it was so damn foggy because of the humidity around here, man.
There's like these tourists, like they want to just try to sell you everything and all the tequila.
Man,
No, thank you.
You see how hot we are? Look at this, sweating like a mother. Bro, you ain't never saw me this sweaty, bro. For real. It's hot, man. Just look at that. Woo. Man. There's taxi. There's taxis right here. What's the beach called? South Beach? Huh? It's called San Diego Beach.
Yes, it is.
To get there?
Yes, it is.
He said South Beach or something, man. All right, whatever.
What's the beach called?
What?
The beach?
The beach, the closest one, 10 minutes away.
What is it called?
Chulas is the first one.
No, not Chulas.
The next one, San Francisco Beach Club.
That one, San Francisco.
San Francisco is the
that?
popular one, nice and pretty.
And
Taxi
then
service.
South Beach? No.
What?
And then South Beach, huh? No?
That one.
What
San
is it?
Francisco is the most popular and no rocks on the water.
Okay.
That's a good one. Transportation is only $15 together.
Okay.
And access fee in that one, for $20
Just call them just to
access
make
fee.
sure.
All right.
For
yeah.
$20 access fee in that
I'ma call
one,
them and make
chair, pool, umbrella, shower, restroom, snorkel,
Okay,
kayak,
I
paddle
think
board.
so. Give me
Boy,
let
if
me
you don't-
call and see which
Wi-Fi.
one. Okay, that sounds
You have
good.
friends there, maybe?
Yeah,
Okay.
already. So
Maybe
we're
they
just
went
gonna
there.
call and make sure the right
Where
one.
they are? All right.
The right one.
On there.
All right, so we about to go there, man. We found this, so we about to go there. Whew. Crazy.
¿Estás bien?
Yes.
It's okay? All right. Let's go to
Right. Finally got on here, man. About to go to San Francisco Beach.
San Francisco Beach Club.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Chris?
Chris. Hi, Chris. Say hi to the vlog, Chris.
Wow,
Hi.
Hi, how are you guys?
Good.
Ah, me too.
Careful.
Voy a Playa San Francisco,
never
escuchaste,
know.
güey. Voy para allá.
See?
De allí a la mía, ¿eh?
Mhm. I understand, Paquito. You know what I mean?
Tracking that motherfucker.
Okay, so we got our destination on the map, just in case they try to take us somewhere else, you know, instead of taking us to our destination, which is San Francisco Beach.
Oh yeah. Yes.
We got here. San Francisco Beach.
Well, thank you so much, sir.
There
Thank
go,
you.
man. No problem, man. Take care. Right here? Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna pay to get in, huh?
Hola, welcome.
Hello.
Okay, so it'll be the basic entrance, right? It's this one right here. It's 20 per person. This includes facilities, launcher, umbrella, pool area, water toys, also kayak, snorkel gear, and paddleboard are included.
Okay. So
Yeah.
20 per person?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Thanks. Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
Okay.
All right. Yeah.
All right. So just go.
Just go in.
With my friend.
How with you? Yeah.
Okay guys, you know already we have extra activities. We have snorkel, kayak, and paddleboard. We can use them. Jet skis, parasailing, and massage, they're not going to be included.
Okay.
But I can give you more information if you want it.
All right.
Help me.
Yeah, man. So, so far so good, bro.
Yeah.
Look cool here though. Oh, my dad, he said about our jet skis. There you go. Right over there. Yeah. Over here though. Yeah.
Ladies' bathroom. In the other corner we have the men's bathroom and also our changing rooms.
Okay.
Pool area is going to be included. We can just pool from the last floor to the first one. We can choose our own spot. Don't have to be in this area. Snorkel, kayak, paddleboard. Just go where the Cozumel sign, and they'll let you work the materials.
Okay.
You have any questions?
No.
At all? Welcome, guys. Enjoy.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you, man. I appreciate it.
That or it's just
We're in the sun and sand. That's all, bro. Hola.
Yes,
Hey. We're here now. That was scary. That was scary.
It's so damn hot out here.
That was scary though.
The
low-key,
camera
man.
keeps fogging up. We can't even record.
Nah,
It's hot, huh?
it's
Yeah.
foggy. It ain't even
It's hot as
clear.
fuck. I'm telling you, this is like baked material. After we shoot this little part, we can get in the water, bro. Look what they all got over there, though. We can get on them slides and
I
all that
see.
shit.
Yeah, I see.
It's JSDG with another banger.
Man,
Hey, you can show that.
just got through shooting this music video. My Pop's new album coming out. This not for the first album, this for the second album though.
So make sure y'all grab that Still Whooping, though.
Still whooping,
Yeah,
yep.
it comes
On that
out the
platform.
22nd of this month.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And y'all grab that thing. July 22nd, it comes out. All platforms. All platforms. Still Whooping.
Fire too, still whooping.
Grab that thing.
Yes, sir. We're here though. That's how I look right here on the beach. San Francisco Beach. Not in Cali though, in Mexico. All these damn floaties and everything for the kids, and it's nice. Hey. Zip line. Ready? Ready?
I'd rather go fast.
Charlie.
Side to side.
yeah.
Oh.
Okay, can you tell him when he swing, don't swing her?
No, that's me doing that. I won't do
Okay,
it.
keep it real tight. Tell him too. If he's sick.
Zip line.
Maybe can you do one more? Jump here, right?
Go ahead, babe. Yeah, jump forward. Go ahead.
It's the only way to get in.
Woo. on, T. You got it. Really? Yeah.
Not on this. Yeah, they both on. You guys waiting?
No, we're ready.
Oh, okay. Well,
I don't I guess I'll wait for you.
Yeah.
They're together, right?
They're together.
We're together. We're together.
They're together. That's how you do it?
Sit down.
Sit down, Noah. Both of you.
Are you practicing for swimmer?
There we go.
Ready? Oh!
He's all move. He's all keep your head away from him.
You ready, Tim?
I don't know. She's their mom, so she's gonna meet them there.
God, yeah.
Sorry, but
Gotta go with mom.
Oh, that's fine.
Really?
Ready? All right.
Tiffany done got comfy.
Well, the longer you wait, sometimes it's like, how did that flip feel?
it felt great. I'm chilling.
2 hours later.
It's JSDG with another banger.
Wow.
You guys clearly know what you're doing. We're going up to the mountain. Let's hold on. Everybody hold on.
We're on the lock. We're on the lock. We get the lock. Sunny day. Weather is raining.
It's an adventure.
Okay, guys. Hold on, because now we're going up.
Oh man.
Oh, now we're going up?
Hold on.
If you guys start sliding back this way, let us know, okay? So we can get out the way.
We out here at the beach. It's literally like 1,000 degrees out here and it's humid as fuck. So we're just out here burning, baking. Like we probably won't stay out here too long because we're already ready to go back. Drinks ain't free out here. They're kind of low-key expensive. So once we get back on the boat, then they're free. So we've been buying a couple drinks because we brought some cash to spend and we haven't spent no cash yet. So so a little bit of cash spent out here on drinks is fine, or just whatever. But it's crazy. It's crazy out here. Like the people, the vibe, it's cool, but it's crazy. You gotta really like be careful. Like they watch you. They
Hey, what?
they be in your business. They watch you. Like if you go to the bathroom, you got to go down these steps. You got to turn left and down a hall and another hall, just like in a little cubby. I'm like, y'all not about to come out the door and kidnap me. Like I watch too much TV. I watch too much. Anyway, it's cool though. Yeah, so we're just chilling out here right now. We got these beach passes, so we can take like the jet skis. We can go on the little like the floaties out there. There's a lot of stuff you can do with the pass we got. We got the beach chairs and all that. So we'll just be out here for a little bit longer. We got to be back at the boat by 5:30. So we don't push it, because if we get left out here, we stuck. So I think we're going to leave about 3:30 maybe, just to give us plenty of time to get back to the port, because we are about 10-15 minutes away, and then give us enough time to walk back to the boat without getting left. So we will keep you guys posted, but for now we're just at the beach and we're just chilling.
Oh, it is hot.
And all that.
Oh, you sweaty and all. Look.
Oh my God.
Oh, sweaty, bruh.
Okay, can we go?
Damn,
I
you
just
ready to go?
now.
Nah, we're going, man.
Time to go. It's time. Bro, it's time. Look at.
15 minutes.
It's time to go. Damn.
And I usually like the heat, but I can't even take it.
Woo. Oh man.
Anyway, Stephanie, get your DNA test because when they pass.
Meanwhile, these two, he's in the pod, okay? Twins and shit.
You know,
Decide to hop in.
fresh from Cali, man. You know what I'm saying?
They see this club that and they decide that they want to get in. So now me and Rikisha are waiting for our man to get the heck out of the pool. So we're ready to go.
Take off your clothes and get in here. Get your ass in here.
Come on, y'all get in too. Y'all playing.
It's time to go.
They want to play around. They want to come
Get in here. Come on. It's nice and warm.
I'm playing around.
You're not about to have us stuck out here.
40,000 miles away from home.
Oh my gosh, let me tell you guys what happened right now. Yay! Okay, so she pops, like my brother-in-law. Okay, so Poppy, so he lost his earring when he jumped in the water like he should had no business jumping. And then so Pops went in and was like, I'm gonna fucking find it. Got some goggles from somebody. Get around and he found it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah!
That's you nigga. We gonna do this shit.
That's super cool. That's what happened. But he wasn't even tripping. Like, he was like, whatever, like it is what it is. We're older, like, I don't care. Yeah. Found it. How'd you find it?
I was just looking. I was
With
like,
the goggles on.
I scanned the whole. I scanned the whole like area. I just made sure to do that. Scan the next, scan the next, scan.
He's a real detective though.
Don't fuck with him.
The back is going down.
Yeah, it's
Fuck the back.
Yeah, we don't care about the back.
You got that thing.
Yeah. Oh, yay. Everybody was all happy.
All the diamonds are still in there.
Yeah, that.
Good job.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, that's a real good job, for real.
Yeah. Thank you.
Fuck
You
that.
played
Fuck all that
Erie Detective
leaving.
like a mug.
Shit.
Alright, so in the taxi now, leaving. What is it called? San Francisco Beach. Now we're on the way back to the cruise boat. You know what I'm saying? Had a good time though. Feel me?
We did.
Yeah.
Now we're tired.
Tired as hell.
And hungry.
We got to find something to eat. We ate earlier. We haven't eaten nothing since then. Alright, so yep. What you get?
This from my mommy.
Your mommy?
My mommy. Because my mom always says, bring me back a shot glass everywhere we go. So this has 2 shot glasses, a lighter, and a ashtray because she smokes cigarettes.
Alright.
So this is perfect. It's $15.
Perfect.
And it says Cozumel, Mexico. I think she'll like that.
Try to find the kids something tomorrow, huh?
Yeah, because we have 2 more
That's
stops.
tomorrow or
So
next day?
then tomorrow is Honduras, and the next day is Playa Maya, Mexico, I think.
okay.
So we have 2 more Mexico stops.
Yep, that's cool. That's nice.
Yeah, my mom will like that. She'll be like, oh, thank you. She's going to be so, watch, we'll record her, and then she's going to say, oh, thank you, watch. She's the good part, huh? The good part.
This is the good. Are you from Mexico? Oh, shit. So is it like the same way right now that you just went? You don't like that, You don't like that. Yeah, too hot. Sorry. We get it out of your room. Yeah. All right, have a good day.
Thank you.
We should go to the pool.
He was like,
He said, no, it's not.
not the same Mexico, he said.
Too hot.
I
ain't in Mexico, he know.
He should go jump in a jacuzzi somewhere.
Oh, they got oysters.
Hello. So we just got a drink. We're on our way to the Windjammer. See, drink. We're on our way to the Windjammer, which Windjammer is the restaurant that is a buffet.
All you can eat.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it's free. It's complimentary with your ticket, basically.
We're dressed now.
Yeah, we're little something dressed, little something, you know. And we're gonna go to. This is just like to get something in our system because we didn't eat lunch and we've been drinking. And then at 7 we have a reservation for a place called the Mason Jar, which is Creole, right? Creole food. So right now we're gonna go on the Windjammer and we're gonna show you guys what the Windjammer is about.
You gotta wash your hands first. Always wash your hands.
Where do you start?
All this to eat? Shit. You all here all that just to eat? I left my drink.
Oh my God.
I left my drink. Oops. So, all you can eat. So, anyways, this is for now anyways. And we're not eating all this. I know it seems beefy as hell. But we're not eating all this. Also, like I said, we have a reservations for a Cajun restaurant in a couple hours. So we don't want to go too crazy for dinner. So we just wanted to eat a little bit of this. Just to put something, because we didn't even eat lunch. So we only ate breakfast. So we're eating a little bit of this and that just hold us until dinner. But you see what it is, man. Chimichanga, sweet potatoes, mixed vegetables. You got your mashed potatoes and gravy, and then this right here is butter chicken. I never had it before. Just got it. This, like I said, like just chip down a little bit. Same thing she has. Now, what's this?
Fajita.
Oh, fajita. And then also she has Mexican rice.
You just get like stuff you want to try and then like bite it a couple times, and of course you don't finish it. Like I'm nowhere near gonna finish it. Like
bangs though.
But
them little curly soup bangs hanging.
He wanted some of the Mexican rice, so I got a lot. But yeah, so you know at a buffet you kind of put, well, when you're greedy you put a lot on your plate and you eat all of it. But when you're not greedy, you want to taste like different stuff, you put a lot on your plate, you just eat a couple bites of each, and then that's it. But yeah, like he said, we got a dinner reservation at 7. So we don't want to eat too much because we have to go to dinner in an hour and a half. So we're just gonna taste this, eat a couple bites, have a couple drinks, and then we'll catch you guys at the Mason Jar.
2 hours later.
Wash your hands before you eat. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Wash your hands all the time. Hey! You know what I mean?
Yeah, wash your hands, you see that? Alright, we're on our way to Mason Jar to go eat Cajun food. Let's go!
All I want is some tender love from you, baby. Oh, been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, the love from you been so long. The love, all I want, the love from you waiting. All I want, the love from you been so long. The love, all I want.
We at the Mason Jar, about to eat. What drink you want?
We're gonna get Ultra because yeah, we just introduced which is light beer. But you notice you don't feel that full today off the drink, so I know it's not something like you. No, not as full. Yeah.
Because like for 3 days since we've been here, we've been drinking pina coladas, and they got that like puree, thick like pina colada mix. It's thick, like kind of remind me of like some, I don't know, like some whipped cream or something.
No, but it's not.
So I've been full off that. So we're trying to drink some more lighter stuff. Oh, yeah, what's this?
So we have the jalapeno cornbread. made by my grandma in Mississippi, and then we have the buttermilk biscuit made from California. We have the Cajun butter and honey whipped butter.
Okay. Good too.
Can we have? Did you get the 2 Michelob Ultras?
No, I went to get the bread. You was
Okay. Yeah. Can we have 2 Michelob Ultras?
You have any beverage packets?
Yeah.
You get it right. It's easier if I put up the card.
The card? Okay.
Food came, huh? Okay. What we got?
Catfish with the mac and cheese. Olive green. It comes with the sweet mash. The grits. Shrimp and grits. Grits. Fried cream. Sausage. All the way from Mississippi.
Nice. Thank you.
She said all the way from Mississippi.
Yeah. Be careful, the plate. I got it.
Thanks, man.
Stay there to it.
I can knock this down.
Sir.
Now that's real. This is what you call real.
Thank God for another day. Thank God for another meal.
They don't have a shot.
The next day.
Whew. Alright, y'all. So, this is about 3 or 4 days later, man. We wanted to end this video off the right way. Y'all saw, man. We had a blast out there. We're back home now, actually. We had a blast out there, guys.
So much fun.
Man, it was so much fun. Y'all saw all what we did, man. We want to take you guys with us for you guys can see, you know, the journey and everything we did. We actually did more too, but we didn't film some stuff because some stuff we want to just enjoy to ourselves. You know, we couldn't film because they didn't allow us filming and stuff like that. But for what we could film, we did what we could, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. And pretty much just the end of the video, end of the journey of that. You feel me? That was the 7-day cruise on the biggest cruise ship in the world. Yeah, man, that's it. How you feel about it?
It was so much fun. It's always so much fun. Such a good time. But yeah, so make sure you guys stay tuned for another video coming maybe this weekend, maybe Saturday, if this is up before then. Yeah, and overall we had a blast. Hope you guys had a blast watching us.
We're back uploading, so we're back uploading for you guys. Yeah, man, if you're new tuning into the channel, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, join the family. You know, hey, it's lit over here, so make sure y'all subscribe, all right? Also hit the notification bell, make sure it's highlighted so that way you will not miss out on the video. You can join the family, join the notification gang, all right? Also hit the like button, because the like button does make our algorithm better, whereas more people can see us, you know, and we can get out there more, because we're going to start being more consistent. Like I said, man, there's a lot going on, and I'm happy, and we're happy to film for you guys. We're going to put the kids in more videos, and it's going to be lit.
We had fun, huh?
Yeah.
We had fun. We enjoyed, like,
filming. We enjoyed filming and being back on the camera. Because y'all know, man, I've been filming for 10 years. I got another channel too, Probably Blasted channel, so for the ones who know that, I've been making tutorials and just being on YouTube for 10 years, so
and you'll be back on there again.
I'll be back on that channel as well soon. I know you guys waiting for them tutorials and everything and the content. I'm just trying to figure out, you know, I already touched bases on a lot of stuff already over there, so I'm just trying to like figure out what new I can have lit for you guys, so that way the channel won't be just repetitive and the same stuff I'm just teaching over and over. So anyways, man, yeah, pretty much we're done. We love y'all, man. Hope you guys enjoyed it.